It's easy to use a fingernail to separate the front frame piece from its back cover. Find this corner where you can separate the two parts and then slowly go around the edge to take them apart. Install the front frame from the top side, the front camera side, to the bottom side, the charging side. Top to bottom installation is crucial for proper fitting of the front piece. Do not install the front piece from bottom to top, as this will not work. Press the case hard to fit around your iPhone. Snap the front frame into place with the back cover. Insert the top of the front frame and push the bottom into place. Set in the top side to seamlessly fit the phone into the top part of the case. Lift up and attach the bottom side. Go around the edges and press the parts together for a proper fitting. Clean the phone screen in the middle and around the edges with the 2 enclosed wipes in a packet. This process will ensure that your screen is fully clean and clear before you add the screen protector into place so that it will look great and sleek once you are all finished. Pick up the screen protector and align it with the top of the frame of the phone, and drop the protector slowly onto the screen. All of the buttons on your phone will now be responsive through the screen protector you've installed. The case provides a comfortable grip and still shows all of the original beauty of your iPhone. If you need to remove your case from your iPhone, carefully follow these steps. Remove the soft case from the bottom side to the top side. Take off the front piece. Find the corner and place your finger at the bottom. Tug downward on the corner with your thumb to slide the frame off of your phone.